Hello guys, I'm sharing this new gadget that I got from Lowe's. You could find it anywhere. Basically, it cost 14.97, I believe. So it's $15. So it's worth to buy it. Make your life easy. You operate with 9-volt battery. It's called stud sensor L20. So you press the button here, the black one where I have my finger, and then you press, the lights will come on. Then you will see where is the stud and how does it works. You see, so basically it's catching the middle under my table here, but I will demonstrate for you in the wall, guys. It does operate for metal and for wood too, the same thing. So let's see, this is the drywall here. I'm going, look at the gadget. I'm pressing the button side one and I'm going along. Then you will see the stud in there. You see, that's the first edge of the stud. The second edge will cut at the end, you see. Then I'm coming back from this side and will give you the stud again. So I'm gonna demonstrate with a pencil and paper. I don't want to write on the drywall. Give me 1 second. Here we go, guys, how it does work. Okay, press the button, come along from this left to the right, and then you see this is the first edge of the stud. Then you keep going, then it will cut. You see, it's kind means the stage of the other side. It find it, and when it skip it, keeps cutting out. I'm starting from here again. Go all the way along. You see, this is the stud. Then you keep going. You see, boom, right there. Look, one. Keep going. It will cut by itself. Boom. It's worth to buy. It makes your life easy. So that's how it works. For homeowners, makes their life very well easy, and it's cheaper. 9-volt battery will last longer for you guys. Hope you like this product and hope you're gonna enjoy it if you want to make your life very easy. Beautiful. I like it. Enjoy it. Thank you and have a great time, guys. All the best for all of you.